Yo guys, obviously I'm here. You guys are with me. I was literally just here recording. It's Saturday. I was gonna say Friday. Tomorrow is I'm eating cookies, sorry. This cool girl, Amanda, she brought some sugar cookies and I'm eating them. Sorry. But today's Saturday, it's a good day. I'm bored as fuck. There's nothing going on. The cooks on the front line and the cooks on the pizza line, they're getting shit done. Like, it's getting busy for them, but for me, there's no dishes to wash. That's why I'm out here vlogging, giving you guys some footage. I get out of here at 7. It's barely 1. 6 more hours. With this next 10 minutes, guys, remember, no negativity. With negatives, it just brings us down. You guys have the power to make your day great, to turn negatives into positives. That's always the option. It's worth it, trust me, in the long run. Nothing but positivity, guys. I'm staying positive here today. I hope everybody else is staying positive. I don't know. Tomorrow is Christmas. I have that day off. Monday, I work from, I think, 3 to 8 or some shit like that. I don't know. I'll see. Let's see if any dishes got put in away or whatever. They're in the back. My manager's like, what cookies? What? I was just munching on them. Yeah. The cooks are a little irritated. They're a little frustrated, but whatever. I'm washing shit. Literally nothing. Let's do this, guys. You can't. It's up to you if you want to be in my YouTube channel. You can't do. God, man, I don't know why. Like, I shouldn't be fucking irritated. I should not be overwhelmed right now. Because one, like, yeah, one, I'm not fucking literally doing shit. Nothing's going on. Like, literally. There's no dishes to wash. Nothing's happening. And fuck, dude. Why do I feel this way? Like, I don't know why I feel this way. I guess it's just because I'm not doing anything. I'm getting irritated over stupid shit. Like, there's no dishes to wash at all. Fuck, dude. Anyway, I started this, if you were wondering, the camera was up there. I started fucking this day with a great mindset. I'm still kind of having a great mindset. This is the shed that I'm in. I don't know if you've seen the other vlog, but yeah, we put all this stuff in this shed today. Yeah, there's literally no dishes to wash. There's nothing going on. Why should I be overwhelmed? I think I just need to get high. Fuck. Yeah. That's probably what I need to do, is just fucking dab out. Whatever. Even freaking my boss, she was like, why are you recording? You're not supposed to be recording. But I don't give a fuck. So, yeah, my day got brighter like that. It's Christmas Eve. I got a little gift from my bosses. Like, I guess it was from all the managers. They put it together, some shit like that. I don't know. It doesn't matter. I got a gift from them. I will show you guys what I got on my way home. Oh god, my hair is all fucking weird. Then again, that's because I'm not wearing a hat. I don't like wearing the hats. Doesn't suit well with me. What do you guys think? In my last vlogs, do I look? Is it better with me having a hat? I don't know. But god, that gift just brightened my day. You guys don't know. Tapping Dishwashers happy now. Fuck yeah, dude. It's only 1:30. We close at 5. Last call is at 5, so 4 more hours to go. And with all those hours that passed, hold on. With all those hours that passed, like I said, I was gonna fucking leave at around 6-ish, 7-ish. I remember I clocked out at 7, but last call was supposed to be at 5. And yeah, out of nowhere, a couple people came, and yeah, a couple people came. They no, a few people came, maybe like 3 tables, 4 tables. They were small, but to be coming like 15 minutes before we're closing, yeah, that made the dish, or not dish, but it made the cooks and the pizza line, Lance that was on the front line, Angie that was on the pizza line, it made them get a little frustrated. Michael was on the front line too, forgot about him. Yeah, they were getting a little irritated, like, cause fuck. Literally, we were supposed to get out at 6 or 5. 5 was supposed to be the last call. Sorry if you guys are wondering what the fuck I'm doing. I'm itching my leg. It itches so bad. Yeah. I didn't leave till 7, and last call was at 5. It was a very slow day. Last night, the dishes that I left, it wasn't that much. You guys seen it from yesterday's vlog. I came in the morning, I knocked all that down. Oh shit. That present. Blow. There you go. $50. A $50 gift certificate, gift card, whatever the fuck. On a Visa card, a debit card. That $50 is gonna go to I wonder what. Comment. What do you guys think I should get? I don't know. That's cool though. That brightened my day. That little tiny. That little gift. It made my day. It helped brighten my day. Brighten my spirit. Because honestly, it was just so slow. I wasn't feeling it. I was getting irritated. I was getting pissed at myself because it was just so slow. I wanted it to be busier. I wanted more shit to happen, but it's whatever. I made shit happen. I cleaned the little roundabout. It was stinking like always, but I cleaned it, and I made sure that the floors were clean no matter what. It was all done. I made sure it got done. Since tomorrow It's Christmas. I don't work. I had to make sure the whole dish pit was clean for the day after Christmas. That was Monday, and Monday I only work from 8 to 4. Well, they don't even want me to do janitorial. It's weird. I'm getting a new schedule, and I think it might stay that way. 8 to 4, and from 3 to 1:30. So add those hours up. From 8 to 4, and then from 3 to 1:30. Those are all separate shifts, but I'm gonna get those shifts. I'm gonna be closing a lot because the other dishwasher, he unfortunately got fired. But like I said, no matter what, always positivity, no negatives. No matter what, we always have negative things, negative people, negative stuff, things, objects, just shit come into our lives. Make it go off track. Make it go negative. Ugh. It's your choice whether you want to make that shit bad or negative. You have the option to make your day better. You have the power to turn it all around. So yeah, guys, put all of that into a ball.